Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best demolition hammers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the Berserker 1300 watt SDS Max Demolition Jackhammer. This budget-friendly option is perfect for lightweight demolition tasks like breaking floor tiles or small concrete sections. It boasts a 1300-watt motor delivering 4,100 BPM with 15 joules of impact energy, making it surprisingly powerful for its compact size. Weighing only 12 pounds, it's easy to maneuver in both horizontal and vertical applications. The ergonomic design includes a 360-degree adjustable handle and vibration control technology, ensuring comfort during extended use. While the Berserker is great for smaller jobs, it lacks a drilling function and is limited to hammer-only mode. It uses SDS Max bits for efficient bit changes, but it's not ideal for heavy-duty commercial applications. The build quality combines durable plastic and metal, and the included carrying case makes it portable for DIY homeowners or hobbyists. However, its power output may struggle against thicker concrete slabs. Overall, the Berserker is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious buyers who need a reliable tool for light demolition tasks. Its lightweight design and vibration reduction make it user-friendly, though professionals might find it underpowered for heavy-duty jobs. At number 4, we have the Vevor Max 3500 watt Demolition Jackhammer. This heavy-duty tool is designed for serious demolition projects, featuring a powerful 3500 watt motor with 60 joules of impact energy. It's ideal for trenching, breaking holes, and tackling tougher concrete slabs. The upgraded shock absorption structure with double springs reduces fatigue during prolonged use, while the 360 degrees swiveling front handle adds precision and flexibility in tight spaces. The build quality is robust, thanks to its heavy-duty aluminum construction that resists corrosion and ensures durability. It includes 2 chisels, flat and point, along with safety gloves and goggles, making it a complete kit for professional and home users alike. The cooling system keeps the motor running efficiently, even during intense jobs. However, at 45 pounds, it's significantly heavier than other options on this list, which may limit portability. If you're looking for a powerful demolition hammer for medium to heavy-duty projects, the Vevor 3500 watt is a solid investment. Its high impact energy and ergonomic design make it suitable for professionals. But its hefty weight might be a drawback for users who need more mobility. Taking the 3rd spot is the Glority SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill. This versatile tool combines power and functionality, featuring a 13-amp motor with 7.4 joules of impact energy. With 4 modes, hammer, drill, and chisel adjustment, it adapts to various tasks, from drilling into wood to chiseling concrete. The 360-degree rotatable handle and vibration dampening system enhance user comfort, while the variable speed control allows for precision work. The Glority stands out with its durable aluminum alloy housing, which ensures longevity and heat resistance during extended operation. It includes a comprehensive accessory kit with drill bits, chisels, and a carrying case, making it a great value for its price. However, at 12 pounds, it's lighter than other models, which makes it easier to handle but slightly less powerful for heavy-duty demolition tasks. The lack of a listed price is a bit inconvenient, but it typically sits in the mid-range for similar products. Overall, the Glority SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill is a fantastic all-around tool for users who need versatility. It's perfect for DIY projects and medium-scale professional jobs, but it may not offer the raw power required for breaking thick concrete slabs. Securing the number 2 spot is the Extreme Power US 2200W Demolition Electric Jackhammer. This tool is a powerhouse for both residential and commercial projects, delivering 55 feet-pounds of torque and 1,800 BPM for fast demolition. It's perfect for tasks like breaking concrete slabs and block walls, housing foundation removal, and trenching. The adjustable 360-degree foregrip ensures control and comfort, while its heavy-duty metal construction adds durability. The Extreme Power US comes with a complete kit, including flat and bull-point chisels, protective gloves, goggles, and hex wrenches. At 41.2 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors, but its ergonomic design compensates, making it manageable for prolonged use. One drawback is its relatively loud operation, which might be an issue in residential areas. Nonetheless, its reliable performance and versatility make it a go-to for demanding tasks. If you're seeking a demolition hammer that balances power, durability, and value, the Extreme Power US 2200W is an excellent choice. It's ideal for both homeowners tackling major renovations and professionals who need a reliable workhorse for concrete demolition. Finally, at the top of our list is the Vevor Max 2200-watt electric jackhammer. This premium option is designed for professionals who demand performance and durability. With a 2200-watt motor and 66 joules of impact energy, it excels in breaking concrete, brick, and tile efficiently. The high-strength alloy chuck ensures secure chisel placement, while the 360 degrees rotary handle and locking button make it comfortable for extended use. The included 6 chisels, ranging from clay spades to scraping tools, provide versatility for various applications. The Vevor Max 2200-watt stands out for its robust aluminum construction, which offers corrosion resistance and long-term durability. The cooling system prevents overheating during intense work sessions, ensuring the tool's longevity. At 62 pounds, it's the heaviest in the lineup, but its ergonomic design helps balance the weight. The higher price point is justified by its professional-grade performance and comprehensive accessory kit. If you're a professional contractor or a serious DIY enthusiast, the Vevor Max 2200-watt is the ultimate demolition hammer for tackling heavy-duty projects. Its power, durability, and precision make it the best choice for those who need a reliable tool for demanding tasks. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.